Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about the some people call it as the JOS papers, JOSE. Some people call it as the HOSE papers. I call it as the HOSE papers. This is how it looks. This is your HOSE paper. All right. There is a way to use this. Those who have done my candle magic class, and I'm sure many are joining the upcoming class, which is happening very soon in a week's time. In candle magic, I teach a way for ancestral blessing, not the hoodoo way, the normal way of ancestral blessing, and how we work with certain candles and certain herbs on every Amavasya for our ancestors to bless us. This is one method which I have been teaching in my the candle magic class. Again, someone had asked me that is this the same candle magic which you are showing in your book, the spell for beginners book? No, that is spells for beginners. That is proper full spell setup which is there. But this candle magic class is where I teach you all how 35 different candles are used for various issues. So now, okay, that is a different part. So this is a Jose paper. All right, now this paper is actually, I remember years back in Reiki meet, in one of my Reiki meets which happened in Chennai. I guess it was the year 2016, if I'm not wrong. I had brought this concept called as the Jose paper concept, where it is said that our ancestors also need money when they are up in the realm to to use it in whatever way they want. So these Jose papers are burnt and sent to them as a gratitude and seeking blessings in turn, that they bless us and our family to always be blessed with abundance and happiness. And believe me, I had, when I had told this years back in 2016, many had followed it, and that time I used to easily get it from abroad and I used to easily give it to my clients. But then later on it became difficult for me. But now, with help of some well wishers, I was able to source it back. So this is your original Jose paper. I will be also bringing it in the sale. There is a sale which is coming for the New Year sale. Now, how does this Jose paper helps? Do we work with it individually? No. Yes, you can work with it individually. You can, pick up some papers and you can even write your ancestor's name and you can burn it, and they receive it and then they make use of it. You can also keep this. Now, those who are doing my hoodoo ritual, many of you are my hoodoo students out there who do a different type of ancestral blessing ritual. How they can use, they can keep this in their ancestral altar, pray to their ancestors, and they can leave this in the crossroads along with the offerings that they keep, whatever I ask them to keep during the Amavasya time, for the blessings of the ancestors. So that is one way to use it. Candle magic students, how they will use this, there's a setup which I teach them, where they represent the members, the ancestors of their family, and then they burn it. With that, I ask them to burn this paper, okay, and collect the ashes and throw it to the universe. Now, is it that you should burn one paper? I prefer burning in sets of three. So what I do is I burn it in sets of three along with the candles, and it is actually said that when you burn the Jose paper, and once the ancestors receive this money in their realm, they make use of it for whatever, in whatever ways they want, and in turn you get a lot of blessings from them. And if there's any curses which is there on you, that also starts going away, because somewhere you are helping them, and in return from there they can give us loads and loads of blessings, because of which we can lead a happy life. Do we get Jose paper in India? No. The proper original Jose papers are not there in India. I was actually talking about in one of my previous videos, or I don't know, the upcoming videos, that I am bringing in prosperity money. Now this is the prosperity money, which I will not show the inside. As I said, that is my secret launch in my sale. But this is one of the powerful money which you use for your ancestors. Always remember one thing. Many people might bring in a controversy ki, how are you so sure that do ancestors need money, or in that way. So we also, that in that way, so we can also question ourselves that, we do pinddan, or we do not pinddan. I think pinddan is a wrong way. We keep food for the crows, thinking that our ancestors come and eat. So these are all faiths with which we live, and these are all faiths which has been following, coming to us from generations, right? It's something which is passed down to us. Same way is the Jose papers. In fact, I remember during my Reiki meets, I had that time I had sourced these papers and I had given it to some of my students and some of my Reiki friends who came that time. Obviously I sold it to them, I didn't just give it to them. So because energy exchange is something which I strongly believe in. So one of the lady who was having a lot of loans, and she was having a lot of it was like, a pattern which it was coming back to her again and again, ki karza ho raha hai, she takes off from somewhere else, she pays them, again there is some other karza. So there was a pattern which was following, and this pattern was not at all stopping. So I still remember I had given her 33 papers for 11 months, and I had told her, with the other set of candles which I'll be also bringing in the sale, and I had told her, you just burn this candle on every Amavasya, and you burn this paper, three papers, and write your ancestral lineage name and just burn it. So she said, I don't know my lineage name. I said, it is okay. Just put that the ancestors of, and I asked her to write her name, and then she did that, and then she burnt it. And in 6 months, she said, first time in her life, first time in, I guess, 8 years, she told me, yeah, first time in 8 years, I have finished a loan, but I have not taken money to take for finishing that loan. So that is the change which Jose Papers bring for you. So I hope you all try Jose Papers and come out of all the ancestral curses and get a lot of ancestral blessings in terms of finances, in terms of prosperity and abundance. And yes, as I said, there is a sale which is coming in. If you want to be a part of the sale, you can join it. At least you can learn through this video that there is something called as Jose Papers, and these papers are more like paper money, or the blessings money which you send to your ancestors, and in turn they send you loads and loads of blessings. So take care all of you all. I shall bring in more videos as and when I can. Thank you.